Thank you. Krishna?
Krishna.
From Green Ride.
Green Ride, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've seen it.
Oh, thank you, thank you. So we have Ryan here. What do you think about the launch today?
It was amazing. We saw like this new fast charger that actually solves so many issues of fast charging. Because I mean previously also it was fast, but now they have said you can charge up a day's worth with like 30 minutes. That actually you can go like so far nowadays. With this and the concept vehicle, like wow, it just looked fantastic, and I hope that actually comes into production because that is something that I feel like a lot of people would love to buy. Yeah.
What was your the best vehicle learning in the launch?
I would say it is the voice assistants because I feel right now most companies are going into AI and all that, and that Ather is catching on, and that's amazing. My scooter can right now have AI, and just I can use voice commands to navigate anywhere, do anything with my scooter. That's just fantastic. I love it. That's my favorite feature.
But what was the one feature which you wish they spoke about in the launch? But it was
Cruise control, but we already spoke about cruise control. But I hope they, expanded it to all the Aethers because right now they only have it for the Apex and the people who have traction control and Magic Twist, and they forgotten about the Gen 4 owners and the previous owners. And I wish that is a feature that came everywhere.
okay. And what was like one thing which you actually you wanted for them to be have to be spoken in the launch?
It was the concept vehicle actually. I've been seeing the teaser video, the teaser photo, and they actually revealed it, and that was amazing. So I was amazed. I came for the concept vehicle, and the concept vehicle was here, and it was amazing. I loved it.
And how about the remote charge control? You can
That I'm not really that impressed with because I feel like if you're using any other platform for charging your vehicle, you can already remotely remove it from your phone. So that didn't really amaze me that much, but it's still nice to have with the grid.
great.
Yeah. Oh, and the tire pressure, this thing you can fill it with the charger. Previously, we used to go for the petrol bunks and all that. Now we don't have to do that. If I'm charging my vehicle, I can right now just go and fill the air. So that's also really useful for if you're going on long rides and all that. So it's good. I love it.
Fantastic. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Yeah. So what do you think about the voice command that we just tried?
Certainly helpful when you have like sort of Bluetooth helmets and you want to, even in the traffic, and you want to give a quick instruction to like change the route. Suppose you're traveling home and you want to reroute to somebody's home or something. For that feature, definitely without parking or finding, if you're in the middle of the road, finding a place to park and do that, certainly helpful.
Do you have an Ather?
Yeah, I do have an Ather, which was got last year. So that's the question I asked her, like, will this be backward compatible or is this strictly for new releases? They don't have a correct answer at the moment. Or
I think I might help.
Okay.
I got a news that all the Gen 3 and above they have mics inbuilt in their
Okay.
dashboards. So you might get.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Thanks. That's helpful then.
Yeah. Thank you. Krishna?
Krishna.
From Green Ride.
Green Ride, okay.
Yeah.
I've seen it.
Oh, thank you. So we have Mr. Nitish from B4 Basi. आपको इस लॉन्च के बारे में क्या लगा?
Okay, so hi Krishna. First of all, I love your content. Really good, really smooth. रही बात इस इवेंट की, मुझे सबसे अच्छा क्या लगा? I think इनका जो प्रोजेक्ट है, that's really nice. The new project bike. Can't even call it a bike. More of bike, scooter, or I even got a comment, booter. Okay, booter. Okay. So I really liked the concept, and you know what? I even liked more. That CEO of Ather said it's just a project. कि इस पे अभी कुछ रिलीज होगा ऐसा होगा नहीं बिकॉज वी हैव सीन इन द पास्ट नॉट वेरी पास्ट बट रिसेंटली ब्रांड्स प्रॉमिसिंग few things and not really delivering that. So I really like this thing about Ather and of course this event.
And what was that one thing जो आपको चाहिए था इस लॉन्च में लेकिन वो नहीं?
Okay, so I really expected कि जो ये EL प्लेटफॉर्म न्यू है इसके ऊपर ये जो बजट स्कूटर लेके आएंगे मे बी अंडर 1 लाख वो आ जाए, बट अभी उस पर भी कोई डेट नहीं दी है कि कब तक वो प्लेटफॉर्म पे स्कूटर रेडी होगा, और उस पर भी एज सच क्लैरिटी नहीं है. ऑल्दो यस वी नो 2 kWh से लेके 5 kWh बैटरी अकोमोडेट हो जाएगी, व्हील साइज अकोमोडेट हो जाएंगे, बट स्टिल वी डोंट हैव एनी आइडिया आर दे रियली कमिंग अंडर 1 lakh सेगमेंट एंड व्हेन. आई एम डिसअपॉइंटेड बाय दैट.
तो फिर इस नए प्लेटफॉर्म के बारे में अबाउट EL प्लेटफॉर्म
ओके,
आपको क्या लगा?
EL प्लेटफॉर्म के बारे में ये एथर इवेंट में क्या बोला था ना, इसमें थोड़ा कंफर्टेबल था ना, कंफर्टेबल है, बैटरी साइज में भी कंफर्टेबल कर सकते हैं, 2 किलोवाट से 5 किलोवाट तक कंफर्टेबल कर सकते हैं। इसमें आपको क्या मिलेगा था ना, लो रेंज से ज़्यादा रेंज तक, अभी तक एथर में 3.7 किलोवाट से ज़्यादा बैटरी वाला। अब फ्यूचर हम देख सकते हैं 5 किलोवाट भी देख सकते हैं। इसमें क्या सोचते हैं, हाई रेंज वाला तो हाई रेंज बैटरी इलेक्ट्रिक स्कूटर भी एथर से हम एक्सपेक्ट करेंगे।
अबाउट 6 किलोवाट फास्ट चार्जिंग आपको क्या लगा?
थोड़ा इसमें तो बहुत अच्छा लगा, इसमें कोई कुछ नए अपडेट्स भी लाया। अभी तक फास्ट चार्जिंग से हम 0 to 80% तक चार्ज कर सकते हैं, अगले वीक से 0 to 100% तक भी चार्ज कर सकते हैं बोले उन्होंने। वो तो गुड फीचर, गुड अपडेट है वो भी, और चार्जिंग टाइम भी डबल करा है उन्होंने। इसमें 10 मिनट में 30 किलोमीटर तक चार्ज कर सकते हैं। वो अपडेट किया, वो बहुत अच्छा लगा, क्योंकि वो 1 आवर भी थोड़ा कुछ लोगों के लिए ज़्यादा होता, इसलिए इस न्यू फास्ट चार्जर अभी यूजफुल होता।
I think second bike also we need with the hands.